back to my channel, Miss McBlush. In today's video, I am recreating this look that was originally created by Kaushal for her birthday. And as soon as I saw the thumbnail, I was like, I need to recreate this because I have recently started liking green a lot. Initially, I did not like green at all, but I'm going through a phase where I love this shade of green and I loved her makeup, so I wanted to recreate it. A little backstory about Kaushal. I love her. She's the reason why I started YouTube. I love her. I've been watching her content for as long as I can remember. And fun fact, my best friend shares her birthday with Kaushal, and also they look very similar. They are very similar in nature, and it's just like they have the same vibe, if that makes any sense. So I like feel really connected to Kaushal in a lot of ways, so I love her. This makeup is not an exact recreation. It's like my version of that same makeup look using a lot of affordable makeup. So if you are interested, then please keep watching. Let's get started. I already have moisturizer on my skin. The first thing that I'm going to use is this Kiko Milano Hydra Pro Glow Sublime Light Effect Moisturizing Cream SPF 10. I don't know if Kiko is technically affordable, but I really like the quality of their product when it comes to their base products especially. And I think they're like definitely more affordable than a lot of other high-end brands. This gives me such a beautiful glow. Can you guys see all that glow on my skin? I love it. I love it. The next thing that I'm going to use is my foundation, and in today's video I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and this is SPF 25, and I'm just going to take 1.5 pump. I'm going to move on to my concealer, and for my concealer I'm going to use my Swiss Beauty concealer. I really love this concealer, guys. I'm not even kidding. I really like this concealer, and I am in the shade 02 Sand Sable, and this is such a good concealer and it's so affordable. I really like this concealer. I've recommended it to so many friends also. If you are looking for a new concealer that's affordable but really good, try this. I feel like the brightness was too much, so I've lowered it a little bit so you guys can see my makeup better. And this is what my base looks like right now with just concealer and foundation, and I really like the outcome. I love the Swiss Beauty concealer. I love the L'Oreal foundation. I just got it recently from the Nykaa Pink sale, and I've been using it so much. I really like it, so I wanted to use it in today's video. So I really wanted to use a powder blush, but because my skin is looking so dewy, I don't want to put matte powder on it, so I think I'm gonna go in with a cream blush now. And the blush that I'm using is the Flower Beauty Blush Balm in the shade Cinnamon. I again really like this, and I have all of their shades except one. I'm actually gonna mix Nectar and Cinnamon both because Cinnamon seems a little too brown almost. Okay, so this is the beautiful peach color. I want something very natural that complements the green eye. Like I want the eye to stand out. Now I'm gonna set my under eye because that Swiss Beauty concealer does crease a lot, but I really still love it. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention the powder that I'm using is the K Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder in the shade Vanilla. And now I'm going to move on to my bronzer, and for that I'm using my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Again, really nice product, but I think I need to get a shade darker because this does not show up a lot on my skin, but I'm still going to use it. But I really like how this smells, how this blends, but I just wish it was a little darker. So I'm gonna get another shade once like when I need it. Right now I don't need it, so I'm just gonna use this one. Can you guys see the difference? Kaushal really likes her makeup to be bronzy, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm applying a lot of bronzer. Normally I don't. This brush is really nice for blushes and bronzer. This is the e.l.f. blush brush. I really like it. I even apply powder with it sometimes. And I'm just gonna apply some on my nose just so that it looks like a part of my face and does not look too white compared to my face. So I'm done with my bronzer, and now I'm gonna move on to some more blush because I feel like I need more blush. And the blush that I'm using is e.l.f. Always Rosy. I'm using the same brush. Now I'm going to apply my highlighter, and the highlighter that Kaushal uses in her video is Becca's Champagne Pop. But I'm going to use my K by Katrina highlighter in the shade Champagne Fizz. Now, a lot of people believe that this is a very good dupe for Champagne Pop. I don't know, I still need to test that out. But this highlighter in itself is really pretty. So I'm going to use it. Can you guys see that? I love this. Now I'm done with my base. I'm going to move on to my eye makeup. But first I'm going to start with my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm using my trusty NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And this is in the shade Espresso. And I love this because of how thin it is. It is so thin. I love it. Now comes the best part, and she uses a green eyeshadow pencil, and I am so glad I found this by K Beauty. This is their KK eye pencil in the shade 05, and this is brand new. I haven't even swatched it, and I'm directly going to use it on my eye for this look. So I'm really excited. Now this is what the pencil looks like. Such a beautiful match with my dress, and I'm just gonna apply it. Now how I'm applying it is I'm basically making a line like this, and I'm gonna start blending it with a brush, like a thicker, denser brush. Love this. Love this. I'm gonna blend it more, but I'm just gonna get started on the other eye, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm basically drawing a line, blending it, and then building the color. And this pencil is really beautiful. It's easy to blend, and it's great. Okay, so I've blended my eyeshadow in. I love how this is looking. It's looking so sexy. Now I'm going to move on to the next step. And I'm going to use the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal to tightline my upper waterline. And I'm wearing lenses, so this is difficult. So her eyeshadow was a little olive green, and mine just like goes with my dress perfectly. So it's not the exact shade of green, but it's a very good dupe. And I think she's using an eyeshadow stick by Urban Decay, and this is by K Beauty, and this is like for 600 700, I don't know how much, but I'm going to leave the link to it in the description box below so you guys can go check it out. But this is a great eyeshadow stick. I blend it so beautifully. I love how my eyes are looking. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think. And now I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take some more bronzer and apply it in my crease, just to make sure everything is like nicely blended. For my mascara, again I'm using my L'Oreal Paris False Lash Effect mascara, but I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Guys, I am loving how this look is turned out. I'm just gonna take the black side of this. I'm not gonna apply the primer. I'm directly applying Should I apply falsies or should I let this be? I think I'm gonna let it be because of the lenses and the green eyeshadow. I think I don't need falsies. Also, my lashes are like growing now and I like how they're looking. I love this, I love this, I love this. Now I'm gonna move on to lipstick, and for my lipstick, I have no idea what I'm using, but she's used a nude lipstick, so I think we are safe here. I'm using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Leon. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced. Yeah, I like this. Take a wipe and blot this. That's it, guys. Now I'm just quickly going to use a face mist. I'm using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist, and this is a beautiful mist. I'm just going to keep it here. I love this, I love this. I'm just going to take my clips off and I'm going to go do something with my hair, and I'm going to be right back. So that's it, guys. This is the final look. I'm really liking how this turned out. It is so beautiful. I really like it. I cannot wait to go to the next party wearing this makeup look, if that ever happens. That's it for today's video. If you guys don't know who Kaushal is, I'm gonna link her channel in the description box below. Please go follow her. She is like a happy ray of sunshine and she's just so beautiful. She stays away from all the social media drama and I really like her. She's a very positive person and I love her content. I love following her. So if you don't know who she is, I'm going to link her channel down in the description box below, and subscribe to her channel, follow her on Instagram, and I'm also going to link my Instagram in the description box below so you guys can DM me. We can stay connected through my stories because I post a lot more on my Instagram stories. All the products are linked in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what are the looks you guys want me to try, and I'll do that for you guys. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Until then, I love you. Take care. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.